Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, identify your SSD type precisely so you buy the right cables and mounts. Common types include two 5-inch SATA and NVMe, two 2280 drives using SATA or NVMe protocols. Next, gather tools like a Phillips #2 screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap for safe handling. If you use a 5-inch drive and a desktop, also prepare a 5-inch bay adapter. Finally, back up important data from your current drive before you begin the installation process. Open your case and locate the appropriate mounting point, or M2 slot near the motherboard chipset. For a 5-inch SATA drive, mount it in the bay and connect a SATA data cable to a labeled SATA port and a SATA power cable from the PSU. For an M2 2280 drive, align the notch, insert at a 30-degree angle, then press down and secure with an M2x3 standoff screw. Tighten screws gently and avoid forcing any cable or connector during installation. Power on the system and enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new drive is detected properly. If using SATA drives, set the controller mode to ASI for best performance, and NVMe drives typically auto-detect without changes. Boot into Windows and open Disk Management to initialize the disk with a GPT partition scheme. Create partitions, format them as NTFS, and assign a drive letter to begin using the SSD. Decide whether to clone an existing 512 GB or 1 TB drive for migration, or perform a clean install for a fresh system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.